Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about GATE questions on elementary concept, that is part 1. So this part will be useful for GATE examination as well for facing the competitive examinations. Okay. So this is a question number 1. Flow of current in solid is due to electrons. That is the first answer, electrons. Okay. Question number 2. 1 commercial unit of energy equal to watt second? No. Watt hour? No. Kilowatt hour? Yes. Commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour. Right? Ohm's law is not applicable to. Question number 3. Ohm's law is not applicable to DC circuit. Applicable है high currents, applicable है small resistance, applicable है yes. A. Semiconductor. It is not applicable to semiconductor, right? I am rubbing it. ठीक है. Question number 4. Electric pressure is also resistance, power, energy. Yes, volts. Electrical pressure is a voltage. So, answer question number 4, C is correct, right? Okay. The substance which have large number of free electrons and offer low resistance are called. Large number of free electrons. Okay, and have low resistance means what? Conductor. It is a conductor. D. 5 ka D. Right? Insulator will not have free electrons. The resistance is infinite. Okay, so it is conductor. Which of the following relation is incorrect? Incorrect. P equal to VI, it is correct. P equal to I square R, it is also correct. P equal to V square upon R is also correct. C, P equal to V upon R square is not correct. Okay, so that is the answer C. I am rubbing it. Okay. 7. The resistance of a conductor varies inversely area. Rho R equal to what? R equal to what? Rho L by A. So resistance of conductor varies inversely. Inversely matlab area. So area is given. The cross section B. With rise in temperature, the resistance of pure metal. In case of pure metal, if you increase the temperature, resistance increases. Okay, so 8 ka A. Question number 9. With rise in temperature, the insulator of the material. Decreases. Okay, question number 9 A. Resistance, actually it is not correct. Resistance of insulator decreases, right? Okay. Question number 10. An instrument which detects electric current is known as voltmeter? No. Rheostat? No. Wattmeter? No. Galvanometer? Galvanometer. This will detect the current. Which of the following material has nearly zero temperature coefficient of resistance? Zero temperature coefficient. It is a manganese. It is having a zero resistance. Okay. Next. Which of the following material has a negative temperature coefficient? Negative temperature means if you increase the temperature, resistance will increase. It is a positive temperature coefficient. Negative means when you increase the temperature, resistance will decrease. It is insulator. So you can say aluminum no, copper no, brass no, carbon. यहाँ पर भी बढ़ता है. These are the two metals. This is the alloys. So it is a carbon, right? Sorry. Okay, question number 13. Which is the best conductor of electricity? Iron, silver, copper, carbon. It is a silver. Silver is the best conductor. Okay, silver is the best conductor. Okay. 14. Insulating material have the function of. What is the function of the insulating material? Prevent short circuit, Yes, between conducting wires. B. Preventing short circuit between voltage source and load. That is also 40, na? Preventing short circuit between voltage source and load. Insulating materials, insulators. So पहला, conducting very large current, no. Storing very high current, no. Preventing short circuit between voltage source and load. Voltage source load के बीच में तो conductor आएगा, no. A is correct. A is correct. Preventing short circuit between conducting wires, दो वायर के बीच में. The rating of fuse wire is always expressed in amperes. Okay. जब भी आप फ्यूज लेंगे तो एम्पियर में लिखा रहेगा. ओके ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. द फिलामेंट ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब इज मेड अप ऑफ टंगस्टन. 16. इट इज सी. टंगस्टन फिलामेंट ऑफ लैम्प. ए क्लोज स्विच हैज ए रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ क्लोज स्विच. क्लोज स्विच का रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? करंट विल फ्लो. क्लोज स्विच मतलब करंट फ्लो हो रहा है तो रेजिस्टेंस विल बी 0. 17 का ए 0. अगर ओपन स्विच होता तो इनफाइनाइट रेजिस्टेंस होता, तभी तो करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा, राइट? ओके. हीट इन ए कंडक्टर इज प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन ए पासेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट ड्यू टू रेजिस्टेंस. हीट इन ए कंडक्टर I square R. Heat in a conductor, it is I square R, right? So D answer is correct. Question number 19. Insulation on a current carrying conductor is provided. The insulation on a current carrying conductor is provided to prevent leakage of current. Okay. To prevent shock. Insulation का काम क्या है? Correct है ये. Is correct. To prevent leakage of current, right? To prevent shock is also correct. इसका मतलब है yes, C is correct. Both of above, none of the above. Okay. C is correct. That is the answer. C is correct. Both of above. Okay. Question number 20. Which of the following quantity remains same in all parts of the series circuit? Which of the following quantity remains in the same in all parts of the series circuit? Series circuit में current will be same. So current B answer is correct. Of 21. An electric filament bulb can be worked from DC supply, AC supply, battery supply, all the above. Yes. Lamp can work. Incandescent lamp, filament lamp can work from DC, AC, battery supply. So all are correct. Okay. Okay. Question number 22. Electric current passing through the circuit produces. Electric current passes through the circuit produces. So 22. Magnetic effect होता है अगर electric current is flowing. Luminous effect, bulb can glow. Okay. Thermal and chemical effect is also all are above. That is the question number. Sorry. Question number 22. Question number 22. That is the D correct. Two bulbs of 500 watt and 200 watt rated at 250 volt. दोनों का bulb voltage same है. Will have resistance ratio. We know resistance is inversely proportional to power because we know power equal to what? V square upon R. इसका मतलब है जिसका वाटेज ज्यादा उसका रेजिस्टेंस कम. ये 2.5 का रेशियो है. 200 है 500 है मतलब 2. सो इसका रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा इसका ज्यादा होगा. कितना? 2.5 टाइम्स. यस 2 to 5. दिस इज द करेक्ट. सी इज करेक्ट. 2 to 5. मोर द वाटेज लेस द रेजिस्टेंस, राइट? इसका वाटेज ज्यादा है ना, इसका रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा 2 टाइम्स. और इसका 5 टाइम्स. इसका मतलब है 2/5. दैट इज 1.1 upon 2.5 है. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. C. Okay. To 24. In a lamp load, when more than one lamps are switched on, the टोटल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द लोड। अगर आप लैंप्स बढ़ा रहे हैं, लोड बढ़ा रहे हैं, लोड यू आर इंक्रीजिंग, इसका मतलब रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है, कम होता है। When we say we are increasing the load, लैंप्स ऑन कर रहे हो तो लोड बढ़ रहा है, तभी तो करंट बढ़ेगा, लोड बढ़ेगा तो करंट बढ़ेगा, रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा, डिक्रीजेस। बी इज करेक्ट, 24 का बी, राइट। ओके 25, which resistance will be physically larger in size? 25, which resistance will be larger in size? Larger in size, 100 ohm, R equal to what? R equal to what? Rho L by A. Larger the value, lesser the value, lesser resistance, area will be more. Okay, so किसका large, which resistance will be the physical larger in size? Larger size का जिसका resistance कम हो, so you can say B, 10 ohm resistance है, clear? So this will be the larger in size, 10. Question number 10 का B, sorry 25 का B. Okay, okay, I am rubbing it. Okay, so this is the answer sheet we have given. Please check the answer. Okay, thank you very much for listening.